License Activation Server has a section for management of network licenses. A network license, also known as a floating license, is a type of software license that allows multiple users to share access to a limited number of software instances over a network. This licensing model is particularly beneficial for organizations that have multiple users who need to use the software at different times or concurrently. To view and add network licenses, do the following. Navigate to Network Licenses menu and click to view licenses. You can add a network license by navigating to Add License link in the Network Licenses menu. Complete all required information and ensure that the server path is entered per the example in the text field. The network shared folder must allow your software read and write access. Enter the network seats or the number of users allowed to access the software on the network. Depending on the product settings, the default validity of the license is completed. If the product doesn't have a default validity, then this field will be set to 0, indicating permanent license. To override default settings, you can enable the time-limited license by unchecking the box shown. Select the valid from date and time and the valid to date and time. This will make the license file generated temporarily. Checking the disable time-limited license file will produce a permanent license file. You can also limit the number of running instances of the software on the user computer. One instance means one running instance of the software on the user's computer. Entering 0 will disable this feature. Other data will be pre-filled per product configuration and order ID. Save the license to add it to the database. The license file will automatically be downloaded to your computer. In the license view page, you can download a license, edit it, email it to the customer or delete it. The Edit Network License page allows you to make changes to the license and regenerate it. You can delete a license by simply clicking on the Delete icon button under the Actions section corresponding to the license ID. Note that adding a network license for a customer can be also automated using serial numbers. Providing the customer with a serial number for the product will allow the customer to register in the License Activation Server and generate their own license file.